Hi, welcome to my video. I wanted to move the cat litter boxes to a certain area downstairs, and there's a wooden door there now, and I didn't want to cut a hole in that wooden door. So I put in a foam door and put a cat door in that. I am using this plastic flexible cutting board for the door. I used it for a different door that I made, and it worked pretty well. The reason why I'm making a door in the first place is because our cat Geppetto has allergy problems, and for a while he had to wear a cone off and on, and the cat doors you could buy were way too small for the cone, and the dog doors were a lot more expensive, and I didn't want to have to cut a hole that big. Here I am cutting holes to try to make the glue bond better, because I don't think it will stick very well to this plastic. You may wonder why I don't just saw this, but personally I just find it easier to take a few cuts at it, and then it just snaps. And then it just snaps. A block plane works really well at cleaning up the rough edges. I'm using Gorilla Glue, so I need to put it cures with moisture. I like to use this bamboo skewer to apply the glue. I had a piece cut just the right width and thickness, but it wasn't just the right length. So I ended up covering it just partly, and I'll fill in the rest with a separate piece. There you can see the separate piece. I'm preparing to drill holes in the end to receive ring shank nails that will be the axle that the door pivots on. I figured ring shank nails would stay in better, but there's not much stress on this door, so anything would work, I think. Here I'm laying out the placement for the door on the foam, the cat door on the foam big door. Geppetto is already interested in checking it out. If you ever see a black cat, that's our cat Kyoko, and the orangish cat is our cat Geppetto. quite fit the nail in through the slot I made, but it held just fine anyway. Here I'm trying to coax Geppetto into checking it out, and he's interested. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you think of it. It really helps me out. Or make a comment or give me a like.